season 2026, we know is coming up. If you haven't already started tax planning, you guys, you should, okay? This right here is the tax planner. Let me see if I can, no, you can flip it. I was trying to find some way to flip the screen, but you can't. Okay, this is the We Get Money planner. If you haven't grabbed your copy of We Get Money planner for the tax player, is now available, you guys, as well on Amazon. So if you haven't grabbed yours, make sure you grab it today. Also, I have it for the tax pros. So if you're a tax pro boss, also this is definitely available as well. So I do have the planners available for the taxpayers and also for the tax pros. Now, tax season 2026 is going to be a lot of changes, okay? Now, for those of you who are in my memberships, I've been getting meetings on the new beautiful tax bill that's coming up with the administration, you guys. And I'm going to be sharing that if you're a part of my membership, you will be getting access to that, okay? So only my membership members will be getting access to information regarding tax season 2026. Okay, if you haven't already got your tax refund yet, I did an update. Some people are still getting their refunds up to December the 29th on one of the videos, the shorts that I had dropped. So what happens is this time of year, if you haven't already got your refund, what tends to happen is if you don't get it this tax season, you will get it next tax season, a possibility when you're filing your taxes. This tax season, if you're filing your own taxes, you definitely want to be very careful, you guys. We don't want you to be having your refund held for no long period, just like last tax season. We want you to be careful. So be aware of what you're signing. Be aware of your tax preparation fees. Be aware of your tax professional or whoever you got filing your tax in 2026. Be aware of all of this, you guys. Start planning ahead. And again, if you're using a free software or you're using different ones like TaxAct, different ones you file your taxes with, make sure you are careful, okay, as well. But if you're also interested in this We Get Money planner, also if you're a tax pro, these are available right here. Both of these are available on Amazon, okay? Those of you who haven't got your refund yet, you guys, people are still getting their refunds up to December, I see the 29th. If you don't see your refund by December the 29th, then the chances are you're probably going to get it next tax season. Be very careful when you filing your taxes this tax season, because they're going to be really looking at it. I did a meeting last night with the beautiful new tax bill. If you're a member on my YouTube channel, if you're in the membership, you're going to get access to more information about that beautiful new tax bill. Okay? I had a meeting last night. I'm going to be dropping that information soon for membership members on YouTube. Also, if you haven't got the planners, We Get Money planner, it's available on Amazon, and also the tax pros, my tax pros, this is available on Amazon as well. So don't forget your copy. Now, for the refunds, I always give updates. Every tax season, I'm going to give you the latest updates on your refunds. I advise you, since I've been taking the meetings, I'm just going to tell you guys, if you're doing your own taxes, every tax season, you should be careful. This tax season, be very careful, because they're going to be watching you and they're going to be paying attention to what you're putting on them tax forms. Make sure you have proof, okay? Your credits, your deductions, anything that you're going to write off. If you have a business, be very careful, because they're going to be looking at these heavily. So some of your refunds are still, a lot of people, you guys still haven't received them from last tax season, amended returns either. So if I tell you guys to be very careful, especially if you amend your return, be careful, because you think that this time last year was long for you. If you mess up those returns, or if you put in things or wrong information and things are not lining up, you're going to be looking to another long tax season. Also, when you're doing your own taxes, you're doing it without a tax preparer this tax season, They're going to be really looking at your credits and deductions. So make sure when you do them, you have proof of everything. Make sure you choose your tax, whoever it is, your tax professional. It doesn't have to be me, although I do tax filing. You guys, make sure you do. No, I don't. It has nothing, what you're saying has absolutely nothing to do with the live. And let me tell you something, be very careful on the YouTube lives. Be very careful what you're putting in. And also YouTube lets you know to follow community guidelines. I do not have that. And if I do, that's the color that I am. You're also going to be removed from my channel. You're going to be removed for saying stuff that has nothing to do. And you also, if you keep saying stuff on the live, you will be reported. Okay? YouTube has absolutely nothing to, with people not following community guidelines. When I'm on the live, especially this tax season, if you're new to my live, you should know me by now. This is my 3rd year. Well, at least I think my 4th year doing live and giving updates. If you come on my live being disrespectful and you're saying anything against community guidelines, you will be reported. YouTube let us know that. Okay? I give tax refund updates. I have no time for foolishness. I'm too grown for people putting stuff on there that has absolutely nothing to do with what we're talking about. Okay? We're not children on here. We're not children. We're grown adults. Okay? And I give information regarding tax returns, and this is my 7th year doing tax returns. You talking about my lips, the color of my skin, it has absolutely nothing to do with this live. And who that makes look bad? Not me. Let's be grown-ups on here. Okay, I'll be going live again tomorrow, but I'm going to be doing some screen sharing, and I'm going to be talking about the new beautiful tax bill. I love me, so the comments that people put on lives doesn't bother me. Plus, I've been going live on different platforms for years. So when you come on here and try to come for different people, come correctly, okay? All right, y'all have a great day, and y'all definitely be blessed.